Hi my friend. Let's share something good with this wonderful audience. Like my thoughts, my quotes. Why not? I will try to elaborate your quotes and my interpretations. What say? So my first quote is, don't be over-realistic, because not all of our observations are true for sure. Good one. It means, usually we apply our bad experiences to other person or situation that actually dwells us into even worse feelings of depression and anxiety. So here is my second quote. If you have decided to live the life your way, then don't dwell somebody forcefully to be a part of that. This means, we love someone and we want to be with them in our life, but we don't give them enough space for adjustments and getting into it. In fact, we try to make them controlled and instructed. We don't allow them to enjoy their space, their freedom, because we are normally scared of losing them because of our habits that we seldom give up for that person. Third quote is, life doesn't need you but you can't survive without it, so don't rebel to its challenges. You will ultimately get what you are seeking for. This means, we struggle to get success, but we lack to keep the consistency and dedication that leads to an ultimate failure. This failure makes us repulsive and rebellious. We kick back the life, we hurt our loved ones, we start ignoring small happy moments. Trust me. This way you are actually hurting yourself. I hope our audience have liked our quotes, thoughts and the messages that we have tried to convey. Guys, if you have liked this video, so give it a thumbs up and do subscribe it. And yes, don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notification of our next episode. Stay safe, stay happy.